Evening. Today we are going to talk how we can easily grow gooseberry. Like the stuff you buy from market has lot of pesticide and it could even contain deadly contaminated with deadly pathogen virus bacteria. So it's very important that you go, and it's very easy to grow at home. So this is gooseberry. Like you have to take a spoiled one and just rub in a piece of paper like this, and this is how you will.
Daddy, I love the spider.
Good job. So this is how you get the seeds out of from. We usually keep the spoiled one separate and good one here, right? I'll let it dry on the wheel. I'll sow the plant later. Right? So if you grow, it's very easy to grow. So once you harvested the seed, you just plant them. You can even buy them out of store, but it's a lot easier to get gooseberry if whatever you get it, right? We also sell dry gooseberry, so you can extract seeds from our dry gooseberry as well. Are you planting seed too, Kiara?
I planted one seed and the bug came out of the hole.
Wow, good job. You're a very smart girl.
I planted the egg and the baby spider came out.
Oh, that's good job.
Maybe that's Lily. Maybe that's Lily.
Yeah, and you can just put the whole stuff as well. You can just tear it the paper like that as well. So you don't have to even remove them. You can just tear the paper like that and spread the seed.
Yes. I was just talking about this.
Good job. So the seeds are spread. So we will put mud on it.
Yeah. Yeah, Daddy. Now there's a fuzzbot. Daddy, what's a fuzzbot?
You're making too much noise, Miss Kiara.
What's a fuzzbot?
Don't worry.
Fuzzbot.
So that's all it takes. There's another way. You can cut the stem from the plant, like so you can cut stem cuttings, like you have to take 4 to 6 inches like this, and then you cut down the leaves. Like you only leave very small leaves here. Like see, you saw that? You leave just 1 or 2 leaves because otherwise it will dry up. That's all it takes, right? So you plant it back in. Don't make noise, Kiara.
I'm just cleaning the lab.
Okay, good job. So that's all it takes, folks. So it's very easy to grow. This comes very fast. I will cover other techniques. Like this is part of food therapy where we try to save your life. Our program, Food and Nature Therapy, can increase your survival chances by 99% to up to 99%. So you are what you eat. So So the power which produces you has the power to heal you as well. So you can see this is a gooseberry plant, and you can see how much gooseberry it makes. So you can see like it's full of gooseberry everywhere. So I hope you understand. It's very important that in this dangerous period you eat homemade food. We have in our program we have covered food which you can be ready to eat in 3 days. Some takes years, but you have to be prepare, because long term these guys will give you cancer. So it's very important that you grow your own food. You can even rent land from us. Thanks a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe, and this is a paid video. You can pay whatever you can afford. The bank detail will be mentioned below. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care.